Hello class 8. Today we are going to discuss the last programming question of chapter 7, question number 18. The cost of one chair is rupees 750. What is the cost of one chair? 750. Find the cost of 10 such chair if the shopkeeper spends 50 rupees extra on each chair on its transportation. So see, in this program there is no input, so input statement is not required. The cost of one chair is rupees 750. So you have to find the cost of how many chair? 10 such chair. And shopkeeper is spending 50 rupees as overhead expense, extra charge. So this 50 rupees will be added to the cost of one chair. So the cost of chair will become 800. Okay, cost of each chair will become 800. So 800 into 10, we have to find 8000 will be the cost of 10 chair. See the program. Public class chair cost, public static void main, int COC cost of one chair, COC cost of one chair equal to 750, int TR for transportation equal to 50 rupees. So int cost of chair will become the cost of the actual cost of chair will become COC means 750 plus TR means 50, 800. Now int C10C means cost of 10 chair will be cost of one chair means 800 into 10, which becomes 8000. So that will be the cost of 10 chairs. Okay, now let us see this program in BlueJ. Here the chair cost. Same program, public class chair cost, int COC equal to 750, int TR equal to 50, int CC equal to COC plus TR, chair cost, cost of 10 chair equal to CC into 10. Compile the program, no syntax error, close, right click, void main, OK. The cost of 10 chairs equal to 8000. Okay, so the chapter is over, chapter 7 is over. Now let us begin chapter 8. Chapter 8 is basic methods. Now see, Java provides us with some special inbuilt programs. Inbuilt means ready-made, already built, known as methods, to perform some complex operations easily and directly. So what is the use of basic methods? What is the use of Java methods? It is used to perform some complex operations easily and directly. Okay. So in this chapter there are 3 functions. Rest we will study in class 9. That is the math.sqrt function, math.cbrt function and math.pow function. So let us see the first one. First is math.sqrt function. This bracket sign is called the function or method. Math M will be capital. It is a class name. .sqrt is a method. So what is the math.sqrt method? This method is used to find a square root of a positive number. See, it finds the square root of only positive number, not the negative number. The square root of negative number is not possible. So this finds the square root of a positive number. And it will return a double type value. Its return data type is double. Like syntax. What is syntax? Double variable name equal to math.sqrt and in the bracket we can give any positive number. So this is a syntax of math.sqrt function. See example. Example 1. Double n equal to math.sqrt 4. So what will be the square root of 4? The square root of 4 will be 2. But here output will be 2.0. Why? Because the return data type of sqrt function is double. So this is the return data type is double. So instead of 2, it will be 2.0. Okay. The same way, one more example. Double x equal to math.sqrt 6.25. So what is the square root of 6.25? So square root of 6.25 will be 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5, 6.25. So what is a math.sqrt function? It is used to find the square root of a positive number. Next function is math.cbrt function. What is math.cbrt function? This function is used to find the cube root of a number. See, this function is used to find the what? Cube root of a number, and this also returns a double type value. Syntax: return data type double, variable name equal to math.cbrt in the bracket number, and this can find the cube root of positive number also and negative number also, any number. The math.cbrt function is used to find the cube root of a positive number or negative number, and it returns what type of value? Double type value. Syntax: double, variable name equal to math.cbrt and the bracket any number. First example, double n equal to math.cbrt 27. So what is the cube root of 27? Cube root of 27 is 3.0. Why 3.0? It is return type is double. The same way, second example, double x equal to math.cbrt 15.625. So what is the cube root of 15.625? Cube root of 15.625 is 2.5, and this also returns about data type, double data type. Now let us see this example. This is both the examples in BlueJ. Check method. See, double n equal to math.sqrt of 4, system out println n. Double x equal to math.sqrt 6.25, system out println x. Double a equal to math.cbrt 27, cube root of 27, system out println a. Double b equal to math.cbrt cube root of 15.625, system out println b. Okay, so both the examples are there of sqrt and cbrt. Square root of 4, square root of 6.25, cube root of 27 and cube root of 15.625. Run, compile, no syntax error. Close, right click, void main, OK. Now see, cube root of 4 is 2.0, no, square root of 4 is 2.0 and square root of 6.25 is 2.5, cube root is 3.0 and cube root is 2.5. Alright, so in today's class we have discussed both the function, that is the math.sqrt and math.cbrt function. So please learn the definitions and syntax of both the taught function and write question number 18 in your programming copy. Alright, thank you.